Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on adding a social bar on Wix.com. In this video, we will show you how to create and customize a social bar that allows your website visitors to easily connect with you on your social media. With a social bar, I hope you can increase your social media presence, you can drive the traffic to your profiles, and you can also, I would say, engage your audience. In this video, I will be covering the basics of adding a social bar to your website, including choosing a social bar element. You can also customize its design and a layout and connecting your social media profiles. I hope by the end of this tutorial, you will have a functional social bar that enhances your social website experience and helps you build a social, stronger online presence. So let's just get started. As I always say, first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com. There you can access this dashboard by going to click on log in or sign up using a password, and then you are going to go to your dashboard here. You can do this by clicking on your email or Google account. So this is the dashboard on screen that is going to appear on your screen. Now you are going to completely start the social media editing. So let's just get started. You need to log in, as I've told you guys before, and it is going to navigate you to the Wix editor. I am so excited to help you add a social bar to your website and take your social media marketing to the next level because it is super easy. If you are already familiar with Wix.com, I hope you know how to create the website, but if you don't have any idea, I'm going to give you a quick review if you're a newbie. For that, what you need to do is go to this 3-button option. You are going to click on Create New Website. They are going to ask you some simple questions. You're supposed to answer those questions. They're going to ask you, tell us about the site you're creating and get personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So I would set up without chat. You can also set up with the chat. Now, what type of website do you want to create? If you're looking for online store, a portfolio, if you're looking for a blog, consultant, technology company, restaurant, events, there are millions of options on Wix. You can choose any one of them. I'm simply going to go skip this part, but it will be important for you to choose any one of these. I am skipping this because this video is just for the sake of, this is just for the sake of the video. But since you're creating your own website, so it will help Wix decide that what type of website you're looking for. Now you are going to answer, what would you like to call your website? This will be used to customize your online experience. You can use here ABC or whatever the name of your website you're looking for. Now, what are your goals for this site? If you're looking for selling products, collect leads, share knowledge, build a community, display creative work, offer services, promote a business, promote myself, or just explore. Any one of these, or you can skip this portion. I am going to skip this part as well, but you can add or choose the apps you want to add. You are going to continue on the dashboard. You see, for all these options that were available, the social media, the social bar is very crucial. Now I'm going to go click on Design Site. After setting up all these options, now you have the option to generate the design from AI. This is much of a labor route, I would say, and it would be very time-taking. So let's just say I'm going to pick a template, because if you don't have any idea of your own, the type of the answers that you're given to your questions, the Wix is going to help you decide a template according to those answers. So these are the sites. You can choose any one of these. Let's just say I am looking for, let's just say I am going to use this one. Here you are supposed to add the social bars. It is going to take a time to load the website because most of the features here, you see most of the features on Wix.com while preparing the site, they are completely secure, and it is going to help you design the social bar. After you click this, you can also make necessary changes to your website, and after that, in the end, you would be able to add the social media bars. So you see, you can add elements, section, pages, design, apps, business, media, or CMS. So what I'm going to do is go to my add elements option. Here you see there are so many options. I'm going to go click on social. You see There are so many options you can use social media bars. There are share buttons. There are Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, VK, Line, or YouTube. You can use all these social media bars to add them to your website. Let's just say I'm looking for Instagram or all these social bars. I can add these here to my header. Now you can set social media links by clicking on this. You can add the icons if you're looking for more icons. Let's just say I click on add icons, and it is going to help me add those icons that were not present there. Let's just say I'm looking for Reddit and I'm also looking for Pinterest. Add to the gallery, I'm going to add Pinterest here. You see, and all those features Pinterest have also been edited. You can also change the position in the order of your priority list. You can replace these icons to the new images as well. Now you're going to add the link of each and every one, each and every social bar, and these changes would be saved. Okay, so what you can do is also change the layout. If you want them to be, you can also adjust the size of these icons, whether you want them to be a bit larger or you want them to be smaller or you want them to be this size. You can also change the spacing between them if you don't want any space, or if you want the space, or if you want to reduce the space. You can also convert them, vertically, or you can also set them horizontally. After that, don't forget to change the, you can also, let's just stick to this. Here, you can also add the animations and effects, whether you want them to fade, whether this is the way you want them to add. Here you can also use these options or this option. You can use this option as well. Let's just stick to this one. You can also use the mouse effects here. I love to play with so many features of Wix.com. Mouse effect is that when you're going to click in it, they are going to show some effect. And this is how you're going to add the social media bar to your website, and you can also check it out on your mobile mode. Here, this is how it's going to appear on a mobile, or you can also check it out on the desktop. On a mobile mode, it is very important to check it out. You can also zoom it and zoom it out. If you're done, you can simply go click on preview, and if you're still ready to make some changes, you can also do that. You need to test the social bar to ensure it's working properly, or you can also, I hope, you can test the social bar to ensure it's working properly. You can click on social media icons to verify that these icons they are completely linked to your profile. So by following these steps, you can create the functional and visually appealing social bar that can enhance your website experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.